Fenty Beauty 420, my left, your right. I'm using this puff. Natasha Denona P10, my right, your left. I'm using this puff. Green puff, Fenty, my left, your right. This brush, Fenty 420 Press Powder Foundation. Natasha Denona. This brush for Natasha Denona. Natasha Denona, my right, your left. Two different powder foundations. Let me know in the comments what you think about the application and the shade. Always know that you're first. Always know that you're important. Always know that you're enough. And one thing to always know is to believe in you. Believe in yourself first. I will see you shortly. Hype this video and leave a comment. Bye. Fenty, Natasha Denona. Bye.